quick video. We're going to take this, what is an otherwise working perfectly well Fox transfer dropper post, and fix a common problem where it's cracked at the bottom near the cable housing, where the cable would sit, or the cable housing would sit. So what we're just going to do first is, with a pair of pliers, we're just going to straighten up, just so the two pieces are met, or at least at the same level. And then using a JB Weld SteelStik, just going to stick it back together. That steel stick wouldn't be good for fixing frames or anything else, but this isn't load bearing and it's only really got cable tension on it, so it should be more than man enough. So I'm just going to do this now. Okay, so pair of pliers, that's all a bit more level now. So I'm going to start the JB Weld process. So the first thing to do is just scuff up the surface slightly. A bit of sandpaper will do it, and that just gives it a bit of a key to basically sit within. So just going to scuff it up a bit, go two ways or multiple ways or circular, however you want to scuff it up. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that's both cleaned up and scuffed the surface. Because it's aluminium and it has like a residue, you might want to just wipe it off afterwards. If you are using just your finger, make sure you clean your fingers before you touch or ingest or whatever you do with them. So now it's cut off a little bit of steel stick, knead it, and apply. Just follow the back of the tin basically. So this stuff, it's basically got like a middle compound and an outer compound which you knead together, and that's what makes it well, like gluing substance. So I've cut off a little bit. You don't need a lot for this obviously, and yeah, I'm just going to start kneading it between my fingers, get it all mixed together, and then yeah, slap it on. Once the putty goes like a dark colour, you can start kneading it in. As you can see, I've making sure that you're clear of any potential obstructions. You don't want to obstruct the operation of the lever or the cable going into the housing. So it doesn't look too pretty, but yeah, effectively now you basically have to wait about 60 minutes for it to cure. Honestly, I'd leave it about 24 hours before you do anything like trying to sand it back or anything else like that. But yeah, that's largely it. This we'll leave it a couple of hours and we'll see how well it's done. Okay, so I've left I left it to cure for about 14 hours, and I've sanded it back a bit, which is why it's slightly lighter in colour than if you were to do it. I just basically make it look slightly less janky from the outside. It's supporting the piece, so you know it's relatively strong. Obviously, what I would say is this stuff's rated for about 900 pounds per square inch of tensile strength, whereby aluminium is generally about what 40,000 psi. So yeah, it'll probably be sufficient for what I'm going to use it for. But yeah, just obviously bear that in mind. I've not caused any activation or clearance issues or anything else. Everything's still activating as it was, so it's not like it's going to get caught on anything. So yeah, that's that dropper post back to being usable. Thanks for watching.